everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today I am going to be sharing my long overdue candles from Bath & Body Works Candle Day. So, disclaimer. You ready for this one? If you watch any of my videos where I happen to be smelling something, you will notice I will put whatever that is that I'm trying to smell directly into my nostril because my sniffer is not 100% always in the best condition because of yearly long allergies. But considering the fact that about 80% of the patients that I review their medical history with them every day, they all too suffer from seasonal or yearly allergies, I feel like I can go over these candles with you because I can at least smell them. But in order for me to smell them, I need to put them right here. So when you see me do that, don't judge me. Don't judge me. That's all I have to say. So let's get started. So I placed one online order. I wanted 10 candles on my list. I got 8 because 2 of the candles that I really wanted sold out within 2 minutes of being online at midnight, at exactly midnight, to get my haul. But I have no idea other than one of them what is in this box because it's been sitting here for a while and I thought it would be fun to just go through the box, kind of look at what I got and smell it because I've never smelled it before. These are all completely new to me and I'm excited to go through this. So just keep watching if you want to see what I picked up. Here's my box. I had opened it, but I haven't really gone through it. And I am just going to pull from here to see what's in this box. Just as out of curiosity, if you were interested in what 8 candles cost on Candle Day this year, the total amount for the 8 was $86.21. And that was including the shipping and handling and the tax that was on the order. So not bad at all considering these will last me a really long time. So I'm just going to pull right from the top. So the first one that I picked up is the White Barn Black Cherry Merlot candle. So I actually picked this up because Frank's grandmom had the hand soap in her bathroom and I've never smelled this one before. So the notes are dark cherry, black raspberry, sumptuous Merlot with essential oils. And when I smelled it with the hand soap, I was like, I need everything and anything in that scent. I know this is a really old one, but I actually had never tried it before. So this one I'm really excited to have. It's just like the plain like White Barn packaging for this candle, but I'm not too picky with what they look like. Of course I like cute packaging, but this one I didn't really care. I just wanted the scent. So this one is very nice. It definitely gives me, here I am shoving it up my nose, the cherry smell. And it's almost like, yeah, the dark cherry smell. So that one is really light to me. I'm curious to how this one does and how it throws. All right, next up we have my favorite. This is the one that I had to have. So I knew this one because it's my favorite scent from Bath & Body Works is the Champagne Toast. So Champagne Toast is bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine with essential oils. So this one to me is just so fresh and sweet at the same time. And when I burn it at home, obviously, I love the throw that it gives out because I have a hard time sometimes with like overly sweet things giving me a headache. I never had that problem before, but as I notice as I get older, some of the stuff really does kind of just set a migraine off for me. But this one doesn't do that, but it does have a really nice throw to it. So I just love this. And I always love the packaging that they put this in because it's like so girly and so cute and so fun and so pretty. And it's just, everyone in my house likes this scent, whereas some of the other ones that I've tried before, they don't like it. So this one is a win in our house and I just love it, and that is why it is my favorite scent. Okay, now we have Strawberry Pound Cake. So this one, I knew this one was hard to get a hold of, and I was lucky to grab this one before I guess it sold out. But this one, the Strawberry Pound Cake, is fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, whipped cream with essential oil. So really pretty packaging again. Okay, but this one, honest to God, I love the smell of it. It's so artificial smelling to me, but I'm afraid this one is going to give me a headache because it's so sweet right now as it is, and I just get the artificial strawberry scent in it more than anything. A little bit of the shortcake, maybe a little bit, but more so the strawberries. It reminds me of something else too that from forever ago when I was younger. I can't think of what it is because it's that artificial strawberry scent. If you can think of what it is, or if you've heard anyone else compare that to something else from like years and years ago, let me know because I'm curious if I can try to remember. But let me know also how this one does if it's super sweet when you burn it, because it smells really good, but I'm scared of this one. So I'll probably put this aside and just wait for a while for that one and then try it out maybe around Valentine's Day. All right, next up we have the White Barn Fresh Cut Lilacs. So here is the packaging, really pretty. This one I love. I don't want to say it's basic because it does have this detail here with the floral design, but it's just like very spring to me and just very Easter looking. So I like the packaging on this one. The scent notes are lilac bouquets, dewy green, soft spring air with essential oils. So if you've been with me for a little while, you know what I'm going to say about lilac. So anything lilac scented or jasmine is my Nana and is Easter to me. She was that grandma that every holiday just exploded in her space, and she just spoiled us rotten, and she loved just the holidays and being with family, and I just automatically associate this with her because she always had that scent in something in the house. So as soon as spring gets here, I will definitely be indulging in this one because it just brings all of those memories back growing up and even into as an adult of how special she just made everything. And it's, the other thing is that it's just so pretty to me. Like, it's just such a soft, like pretty scent that just is like very delicate. So this one is a must-have for me. I might have had a lilac from Bath & Body Works before, but I usually just pick them up in whatever kind of candle form, just as long as I have it. All right, moving on, we have the White Barn Paris Cafe. So here is the packaging. So again, just like the basic White Barn look to it. I didn't really care about anything fancy, I just wanted to try the scents. So Paris Cafe is rich roasted coffee, sugared brioche, vanilla creme with essential oils. Now I want coffee. Oh, that one is really nice. It's like, I really do want coffee now. That is very, the campsite coffee one that I had from last year, which I have been searching for, doesn't seem like it was, this one doesn't seem like it was as strong as that one if you tried that one. But this one is just like the sugary, like really good cup of coffee. And if you like your sugar in, or your coffee with your sugar and cream, that's what this makes me think of. So that one is amazing. I'm glad I got this one. All right, we have 3 more left. Next up is Vanilla Cola Candy. That is, whoa, I just opened it a little tiny bit and I just got a whiff of it. Holy moly. All right, so that's that one. This is Fizzy Soda Crystals, Sparkling Sugarcane, Creamy Vanilla with Essential Oils. Wow, that's strong. Okay, it does smell fizzy. That's interesting. How do you make a candle smell like that? That's pretty cool, actually. Okay. I would rather have more of the true vanilla scent in this than more so of the really, what's the word I'm looking for? I smell the cola, definitely get the cola, but it's like first thought that comes is fizzy. That's what I would think of. Or like bubbly, carbonation. I don't know, that's really interesting how they did that. Yeah, very interesting. Vanilla Coke happens to be like one of my weaknesses. I don't get it very often, and I don't drink it very often. I don't think it smells exactly like vanilla Coke, but I wish I would have had a little bit more of the vanilla scent in this one than more of the like sweeter, like fizzy scent, but that one should be interesting. If you've tried this one out yet so far, let me know how you like it when you're burning it, because I'm curious. This one is very interesting to me. Next up, we have Red Velvet Cupcake. So here is the packaging. Can you guys see that? That's really cool. Actually, I like how fun and just bright that is, and it's just kind of like, you know, I'm a nerd. I can't help it. Oh, scent notes. Lush Red Velvet Cake, cream cheese frosting, sweet vanilla with essential oils. I get more vanilla than anything. I'm a little underwhelmed by this one. This one to me is just very basic, I want to say. I'm sorry. If this one you love, I'm sorry. To me, this one smells very like vanilla-esque, and I don't get a lot of the red velvet at all. Now, when it burns, it could be different. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it obviously yet. I'm just going by what it smells like to me in the jar on cold, but I just get vanilla. I don't know. That's interesting. So if you like this one, or if you have burned it, let me know if it comes through a little bit more, because I am curious. I will definitely give it a try, but I was thinking this one was going to be like a strong scented one, like the strawberry pound cake, because this one I'm seriously thinking it might give me a headache. But this one I was thinking it was going to be similar to that. Not that I wanted to have a headache, but that it's going to be strong. But this one, okay. That's the first one out of the 8, hopefully the last one, because we have one more that I'm not 100% in love with, but I'll still try it. So we'll see how it is. And if you like that one, just let me know what you think. All right, last one, Lavender Marshmallow. This one I thought was really cute and pretty because it has like the pastel pink and some blue, looks like little clouds. Very, very cute. I just love it. It's so pretty. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see the little detail here. It's just really pretty. Okay, notes. Fluffy marshmallow, touch of lavender, fresh vanilla bean with essential oils. This one smells fresh to me, and it smells, I do get the lavender, but I also have vanilla. I'm trying to think. Interesting. I get a little bit of the marshmallow. It's like the soft marshmallow smell, but more so a little bit of the lavender. This one, again, I was kind of thinking it was going to be really strong, but I don't know how it's going to go once I burn it. So if this one, it might come out more with, I would think like the lavender and maybe the marshmallow, but this is interesting to me. It's very like, I almost have like the note underneath for some reason. I'm getting, it's almost like, I would say a little bit of a masculine scent to it. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's just my nose. So anyways, that is everything that I picked up from the Candle Day sale. What was your favorite candle that you picked up? Let me know down below. I'm curious because I'm always looking for more to add to my collection and try. And I am going to be skipping the semi-annual sale that's going on now, just because I'm trying to work through so many body care products before I buy more, but I will definitely be doing a big haul when we get to the summer sale, so definitely check that out once that comes up. Yeah, that's going to be it. I cannot leave you without a quote. Our positive quote of the day comes from the man himself, Frank Sinatra, and he says the best is yet to come. And yes, it is. I am so ready for this year. It's off to a great start already. I'm just really excited. I think this year is going to be my year. I think everybody's kind of saying that, but I really do think so. I have a lot of things to be excited about this year and things that I will share as we go along. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fun. But yeah, so that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.